Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. I am excited because we're finally getting the next part of the stock market cycle. The part where things come down nice and cheap. I am on Amazon, not because I'm shopping, but because this is about AITX. AITX stock finally coming on down. Guess what, guys? Can you guess what's gonna happen next? I'm gonna tell you the secret. Ready? You buy down here nice and cheap. It pumps. You make a lot of money. A lot of people have made a lot of money in the first 7 days of not only joining the Patreon/Discord, but also just following the channel. Someone did ask me, do I have to join your Discord? No, you can just follow the alerts. I will point to the bottom and tell you, buy down there. And then when it pumps, I'll tell you, hey, I sold. Here's why I sold. I'm happy with my 20%, 30, 40, whatever the case may be. And we move on. I sold Sybil today. Why? Because it got pushed down. Look at that. It's almost like it goes in cycles. See, it pumped and now it's dumping. I took my profits. One guy made 100K off of this one. So that's, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's insane. So AITX, Sybil, both coming on down. Guess what we're going to do? We're going to wait, let it come down nice and cheap. It'll come down to the bottom here. It'll go sideways. No one wants it. No one cares about it. We reload, because that's what we do. We reload and then we rinse and repeat. This stock loves to pump and dump. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. I can just ad nauseum pump and dump for the entire year. 100% win rate last year. All we did was just keep buying Adobo 02s, the Adobo 03s. Let it come down nice and cheap, guys, and we will reload. You can even do this with Nvidia. Nvidia is not a penny stock. It's expensive compared to a penny stock, but watch. There's the top, there's the bottom. Guess where we're waiting to buy? We're waiting to buy at $130 to $133. I'm not buying here at 142 or at the top. We're going to wait for the bottom. This strategy works with whatever stock forms a bottom, and as long as it keeps coming down there, you keep abusing the hell out of that big bottom. That's why my motto is slap that big ass at that big bottom. So there you go, guys. Let it come down. Don't chase. It'll get cheap. Rinse and repeat. Now, let's just look at human behavior for a second. Let's have some fun here. Let's analyze the Discord and see what they're thinking. Let's see if they're probably deflated now. Oh no, it's coming on down. With regards to the actual company, now that we're done with the technical part of the analysis, they do have their new, and you can see I'm in the mood for Toblerone. That's what you just saw. If you're looking at my Amazon page and analyzing it. So I type in RADCAM AI and it doesn't pop up right away. Like, I can't find. Oh, there it is. So it's like the fourth one. Okay, so like, yeah, 2 days ago, or was it yesterday? When I looked it up, I couldn't find it. Maybe because it's previously viewed. Maybe I have to go to a new web page. I'm curious because I was having a hard time finding it. I had to like really dig for it. Like, where is this? Maybe because I've already seen it before. Maybe that's why it showed up right away. Let me. I'm not signed in here, so I would look up Radcam. I hope they have a marketing strategy, and it's just not people. It's not just fans of AITX buying it, but that's it. Like, that would suck. Okay, so it does pop up after the first. Yeah, it's the fourth one. Yeah, it's the fourth one down. For me, at least. I don't know. I'm assuming it shows up that way for everyone else, but yeah, a couple of days ago it wasn't there, and I was like, whoa, this one I have to really dig for it. But thank God that we don't have to dig around for it. Let's see. You got one option, three options, the same 5 reviews. I hope this isn't a flop. Everything's looking good. I hope they actually have a marketing strategy and it's not just, yeah, let's just throw it up on these sites and hope they should do. I'm gonna be upset if they didn't do this. Some of you know what I'm gonna talk about when I say this. There are, and have you guys ever bought something off Amazon and like your product arrives with a little like note that says, "Hey, here's a $5 discount if you leave a review." So hopefully they did something like that, because that would incentivize the individual. Like, hey, let me leave a review, just to get more reviews more than anything. I assume that also helps push it up in the Amazon algorithm. I don't know how it works. I'm just assuming. If they did something like that, that would be great. Just to give people that incentive to leave the review and get like a discount. Like, hey, next time you purchase a RADCAM, 25% discount. Since they're paying a subscription anyways per camera, so it would still benefit the company either way. In my opinion, I could be wrong. Maybe they are doing that. I don't know. Someone let me know if they're actually doing that. Are they actually sending a little card that says, "Hey, next time you buy a RADCAM or whatever product from us, you get a discount. Leave a review on this product that you bought in on." So hopefully they're doing that. They seem like the kind of company that would do that. I'd be shocked if they didn't. Absolutely shocked if they didn't. Now let's look at the people. Hold the line, those poor souls. I'm still struggling to find Radcam on Amazon. Yeah, so it's not just me. It's not just me. I don't know why it doesn't show up right away. You would think with it being such a specific, having such a specific name, you'd think the keywords would be so specific. RADCAM AI. Who calls their camera RADCAM? Tried RADCAM security. Yeah, you kind of have to really scour through Amazon to find it. I just went up the message board. So as you can see, they're deflated. They've gotten real quiet. When they start getting quiet, that means they just oh no, it's coming on down. How quickly the how quickly did the hype die down in the Discord? They called me stupid. Oh, you sold too early. It's gonna go to the moon. Yeah, sure. This is pathetic. And I told them, again, look at the human behavior. They do the opposite of what I do. I buy down here. I sell it when it goes up. They buy up here and they hold it all the way back down. This is the people we take advantage of. I don't know why they don't learn. I've tried to help them and they don't listen. Oh well, whatever. Some people are just dumb. Whatever. We make money off of them. Thank you for buying my stock when I. Thank you for buying my shares when I sold. They were upset at me, but I'm like, bro, come on. How do you not learn? So, and they were excited about the volume. Remember the volume? Look at this volume. Insane volume, by the way. Insane volume. Over almost 1.5 billion in volume in 2 days. All that just to come back down nice and cheap. This is why I was saying, get ready to hit the sell button because this one, when it goes fast and it falls just as fast. I know a lot of people made their money. Get ready to make that money again. We're just gonna keep rinse and repeating the strategy. We're gonna keep rinsing these people, and that's how it is. Some people are gonna hate me for that, but I'm just telling you, like we're swing traders. What do you want me to say? Like the OTC penny stocks have always been a trader's dream because you just buy when no one wants it when it's barcoding. The volume comes in after on a PR, it pumps, we make our money, rinse and repeat. It's that simple of a strategy. Nvidia is not a penny stock, but there's the bottom down there, right? There it is, very clear. There, it's in a trading range, so why would I buy up here, right? I'm gonna buy down here, nice and cheap, and then dump it up here again and rinse and repeat. Is that it's this strategy works with anything that has a bottom. I'm no genius. I'm just using common sense, right? Like, and I'm a cheapskate. Like, I didn't buy my family presents this year because I'm like, that costs money. Yeah, I'm a cheapskate. I'm not even kidding you. I am so cheap. I didn't want to buy pizza the other day because I'm like, oh, it's $40 for pizza. Do I really want to pay $40 for cheese? Like, really? I'm going to pay $40 for cheese? But being that way actually helps in the stock market because I buy it as cheap. I want my stocks at the bottom, at rock bottom prices. So, it's kind of funny how being the way I am in real life affects my mentality in the stock market, which is for the better, right? Anyways, we have the investor presentation coming next week. Look out for that. I don't think that's going to move the share price. I think too many people are getting excited about that and thinking that's going to move the share price. I don't think so. Uh, Unless they surprise us with, no, I don't think so. The only thing that would move the share price is if they announce share buybacks, which is not going to happen because someone did tell me that they reached out to Steve and asked, hey, are you going to do share buybacks? and he was shut down. So share buybacks are not happening. The float's going to continue to get bigger and bigger. Authorized shares are going to be increased to 20 billion. We know what's going to come next because we've been here for 3+ years. And I know there's people that don't like me because I'm very transparent. This channel is built on transparency. That's why I've been growing almost at 5,000 subs and I want to get to 10K. This transparency is what's gotten me to where I am at. Where I'm at, I'm never going to be biased. I'm always going to tell you, hey, this is how it is, like it or not. Like the market doesn't care what you think or I think. But that doesn't mean we can't take advantage at bottoms, sell it at on the way up or at the top, rinse and repeat, right? Let's make our money. That's what we're here for. And that is it for the video. Uh, I would not be a long-term holder on this. I'm telling you right now, I've met too many people who held this one long-term. They're holding a bag all the way down from 25 cents, 20 cents. They're actually angry. They're angry because people like you who are new to the channel who just discovered AITX, you're getting the opportunity to buy this one when it's nice and cheap, whereas they bought it all the way back at 20 cents. So they're actually angry. They're upset, like, oh, all these new people, they get to buy it so cheap. And I bought it at 25 and 20 and 10 cents and 4 cents. Grr. So screw those guys. Screw those guys. Anyways, that is it for the video. The investor presentation. I'm gonna be on top of that. It's gonna be fun. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one.